Today we're going to talk about a very special NFT. Now this special NFT, you already know about it. There is more than 100 million downloads of it on Google Play and on the Apple Play Store as well. Today's NFT that I'm going to go in great detail, show you the breakdown and why this particular NFT is going to be the next big thing, and it's going to blow every other NFT out of the water. Now I'm going to go in great detail, so stay tuned. So without further ado, let's dive right into this NFT. This NFT is called BraindomGame.com, and this is the website, and the website I'm going to put in the description. Go and check it out in the description down in the video. Now this is a brain NFT collection by Braindom Game. I'm going to go through their home, their about us, their roadmaps, their FAQs, and obviously you have to join their Discord. The Discord is the place to get the most reliable information, or the reliable information about this particular NFT. They have an Instagram, they have a Facebook, and they have Twitter. Like I said, they have 100+ million downloads already of their app. And the Brain NFTs collection by the Braindom Game is a unique limited collection of 9,999 3D NFTs with hundreds of unique attributes captured on the Ethereum blockchain. And if you're ready to play the game, you can download them on the Apple Store or get it on Google Play as well. Now scroll down on the website. The website is quite nice. I really like the way they have done it, and the character and the fun aspect of it they brought. And obviously about us, if you haven't played the game, you should play the game, and if you've played the game, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The Brain NFT collection is inspired by one of the most popular puzzle and brain teaser games ever, Braindom by the Matchingham Games. Braindom has more than 100 million downloads on Android and iOS devices. It is a free mobile game where you can test your wittiness in a fun and brainly manner. Braindom has been one of the most successful projects of Matchingham Games. It has been trending as the #1 top free app, the #1 world games category on the Apple Store and Google Play, one of the trivial game, #1 in trivial games, #1 in puzzle, #4 in game category, and #5 in game category for the Apple Store. Now, needless to say, as they can say over here, that the most important aspect about this is the NFT project, where they're aiming to build a game on the second stage. Obviously, I'm going to go in great detail to show you the roadmap for this. And obviously, if you're interested in getting an NFT, investing in an NFT, this is the NFT you should get, because obviously there is a platform behind it. They've already got a proper footing in the market. Now they have reached level 3. In the level 1, they were developing the free puzzle game Braindom 1 and Braindom 2 in the first quarter and the fourth quarter. Level 2, they were reaching the first place in the world game category. Level 3, they're reaching 100 million installs worldwide and the first place in puzzle and trivial games category in the App Store. And level 4, they will be uniquely crafting 9,999. They have already achieved the 3 levels. And obviously any organization, any company, any app, anyone that has 100 million installs, 100 million people who have downloaded it, that means they're serious business. And this NFT literally already is going to be targeted 100 million people. So if you want to get a part of the 999 NFTs, 9,999 NFTs, you need to get on this train right now. If you have already missed the trains for the Bored Ape, for the Meta avatars, for the beans, meaning these are good NFTs, and if you have not bought those NFTs, this is the NFT you should definitely get. I am not a financial advisor, keep that in mind, guys. I personally have been in this crypto space for quite some time. I've been looking at NFTs. I understand which NFT is gonna be a big thing, which NFT is not gonna be a big thing, why is it gonna be a big thing, and that is what I'm sharing with you guys. If you're interested in investing in NFT, this is that NFT you should invest in. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always drop me a WhatsApp message. My WhatsApp number is in the about section of this channel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon and share this video with friends and family so more people can actually get a proper information about the successful NFTs of 2022. And obviously the 5th level is the implementation of a benefit of a structure of the Brain NFT holders. And as you scroll down, this is the frequently asked questions people ask it. What is Braindom? And I love the reply. Just Google it, because it is such a huge thing. Will you launch the game? While other NFT collectibles searching ways to implement their NFTs to the game? They already have a game and it's trending in top 10. How successful is the game? They've told you. What is the Brain NFT collection? They've told you. How many Brain NFT will be designed? They told you. How can I get a Brain NFT? You can get a Brain NFT on a pre-sale or public scale. You have to follow them on Discord and Twitter, which I'm going to show you in a second, and the whitelist requirements and the mint dates. And who is behind the project? Matchingham Games, a successful mobile game developing company. The people behind an NFT really matter. These guys have got what it takes. They already got 100 million downloads. They know what they're doing. And that is why this NFT is going to be the next big thing, and it's going to blow every other NFT out of the water. Let me scroll up and show you the Twitter and their Discord. Now, the Twitter is the place to be. It is where you will get the reliable information. This is where you get a lot of interaction. They have 59,300 followers. I'm going to increase that by number 1 right now, 59,301 followers. And I scroll down, you can see the amount of interaction they have, the amount of fun abilities they've brought, the amount of information that they're sharing with potential buyers of their NFT, with clients, with people who are downloaded them, with their customers. You can see they are the real business. They are the real deal. They know what they're doing. They have a strategy in place. They know how to execute it, and they are going to take this to the next level. The second most important place you got to be in, or if I must say, this is the most important place you have to be in, is their Discord. Now, their Discord, I'm going to click on the Discord over here. This is their Discord. Their Discord, you can see right now, they have 256,623 users. This is one of the biggest Discords I have come across. You can just imagine the amount of people that will be looking to grab one NFT off the 9,999 NFTs. So if you want to be part of this history making, this legacy, you got to get on their Discord. You got to join their Discord. You got to follow them on Twitter, and you have to keep an eye out for this particular NFT, because this is going to be the next big thing in the NFT space. Now, guys, at the end of the day, you selecting an NFT and the right NFT can make you hundreds, if not thousands, if not millions. We already know what NFTs are, how are they going to go about it, what they're going to do, and my purpose of these videos is to help you guys, bring to you guys these successful NFTs, which I believe are going to blow up in 2022, which are going to be the next big thing. If there's any NFT you want me to review or go in details about, you can always message in the comment section below. I'll go through them and I'll give you feedback. If you have any questions, how to buy it, how to get on the Binance, how to get cryptocurrency, how to do anything, I'm here to guide you guys. You can drop me a message on my WhatsApp, on my Facebook, or on my Instagram. I will definitely reply back to you. Until my next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.